Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening the clock or alarm app because that's where alarm settings live. Tap the alarm you want to change, or add a new one with the plus button, and make sure it's enabled and set to the correct time. Once done, look for Edit or the Alarm Settings icon. This is where sound options appear. You do this now so the next steps apply directly to the alarm instance, avoiding confusion with system notification sounds. Next, tap Sound or Ringtone inside the alarm settings to access tone choices. That's the field that controls what plays at wake time. Scroll and preview built-in tones to judge loudness and mood. Press each once to hear a sample. If you prefer a custom file, choose Add, select from Files, or Import, then pick an audio clip. Make sure to adjust the alarm volume or vibration options here so your new sound actually wakes you when needed. Finally, save your changes by tapping Save, Done, or the back arrow. The app usually applies the tone immediately. To be certain, set a quick test alarm for a minute or two ahead so you can confirm playback. If you don't hear the tone, make sure device volume is up, Do Not Disturb isn't muting alarms, and the clock app has permission to play sounds. If problems persist, reboot the device and repeat the steps to reselect the alarm sound.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.